So it's very fitting. I started a video of episode 4 or 5 of the basement renovation series, but all the data got erased off the card, so the video's gone. But it's kind of a proper send-off because this house is actually not my house anymore. I've sold my house as of this past Monday, and Casa de Chico is officially done. I'm tired of holding my sunglasses. So this is the end. The basement renovation's done because there's no more basement to renovate. Just a quick life update. Now I'm gonna be traveling back and forth to Florida, getting a place in Florida. But the building projects are done. The adventures of renovating an entire basement are done. Been at this house for 5 years. It's very bittersweet, but you know, God's got different plans and it's on to the next chapter of life. So appreciate you guys watching all these videos over the years. It's been a blast, and until the next video, I will see you guys. Don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one.